And you?
Obviously, you load them this way. But
So what gun are you taking?
My dad's.
Oh,
you load them underneath.
and you've never hunted with that, have you?
Nope.
Get back in the truck.
Okay.
Truck bed here.
So when's the last time you've hunted? High school?
No,
No, I've hunted since
but
I-
we shot sporting.
No,
clays.
pheasant hunted. Luna.
I haven't hunted since maybe once since Dogwood.
You ready, Jay? Keep walking. Brisker! Number! Nope. Get it! Reload! Reload! Safety back on, Jay. Good shot. Good. Luna, Luna, get ready. Get ready. Get ready, Jake. Okay. No one, no. Down there. Luna. Hold on, Jake. Luna. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, ready? Okay. Great shot.